Hi guys, it's Willa and today I'm showing you my squishy collection. And loads of people have been requesting to see all of my squishies I have. So here are all of them. I have loads and I have quite a few big ones, as you can tell at the back. And lots of these are scented, like this one's chocolate scented, this one's peach, strawberry, chocolate. So let's start with the front, with the small ones. So over here I have 3 Smooshy Mushies in here. So they're the besties. The 3 Smooshy Mushy besties.
These are the Smooshy Mushy bestie blind packs, and this one is from the Smooshy Mushy tub. This one behind it. This one with the little sprinkles. And they all smell really good, don't they?
Yeah. They're all really good squishies.
And this one is a Squish Delish.
Yes, it's not slow rising, it's a bit fast, but it's still cool. Still squishy.
And then we've got the Soft and Slow Squishies.
So
These two, and these are really slow rising and they smell really good.
This one, what I like about squishies is that sometimes they smell really good, and the fact is I love the sound when you squish it. Feels like you're squishing a sponge.
Some of them sound a bit sticky, don't they? And it's
a bit like
it sounds really good. And then the other ones we've got from eBay. So we've got Mr. Tooth, who is a little bit
damaged,
a little bit well loved because Willa's friends like him a lot.
Yes. He was one of my first ones.
He was one of the first ones.
And then here's a strawberry, which was kind of, when we got it was a bit like...
This was the strawberry. This was your first one.
Yeah, that was my first one. So yeah. And then...
They're really slow rising, those two, aren't they?
Yeah, they're really good.
And what do they smell like? The tooth? That's strawberry, isn't it?
This one smells like strawberry. Then this one smells like cream. It kind of is just
Or
really
peach?
smooth.
Do you think peach?
Yeah, it smells like peach. And then, as you can see, this one, and not really squishy because my friend got me them for the Christmas and it just came in an eBay pack. So they're not exactly squishy.
They don't squish that well, these ones, but the cake does at the front.
Yeah.
This little cake right here does.
Yes.
That one's a really good slow riser.
Yeah, but it did come with the same pack, but it was the best squishy I got it. And then
your favourites. You've left your favourites to last.
I left my favourites to last. So here's Mr. Chocolate. He smells like, I'm not kidding, like real chocolate. He
smells like creamy chocolate with a hint of coconut.
Yeah.
He is an amazing slow riser. And we want to get Mrs. Chocolate, don't we? There's a pink one.
Which is
and we got this one from eBay.
Yeah, because I got this one for Christmas.
And he's awesome. And this one...
This is one of my favourites. It smells like peach as a unicorn kitty. It's amazing, literally. And again, once again, it's got that sound. So nice. Okay, so there's that one. Okay, so that's pretty much my whole collection. In just a second, I've got a surprise squishy from eBay, and I have no idea what it is, and I'm so excited.
So we're going to open a surprise package.
Surprise package. So I'm really excited because it says that. So we got a squishy that's a surprise, and I have no idea, literally. I have no idea, and I cannot see it, so let's get to it.
This is a new one for the collection, so let's see who it is.
Oh my gosh!
Who is it?
It's my first ever narwhal.
Your favourite creature in the world.
Favorite creature.
It's a squishy narwhal, and it comes in this really cute bag. This was from eBay as well.
Okay, so it says slow rising and scented. So let's open it. Oh my gosh.
Does he smell good?
It smells. Oh my! It just smells like biscuits.
Does it? That's good.
Biscuits. I don't know, not why. Oh my gosh! This is one. Oh my gosh! This is once again one of my favorite squishies. This is really delicate because of the tail, because it's like, you know, it's like, oh my god, it smells so good, literally. So it's so good. It's a slow riser, definitely.
It's really slow rising.
Yeah, it's like a galaxy narwhal.
It is. This is like a galaxy narwhal.
Galaxy narwhal. Oh,
And he smells good.
Smells like
Let's see.
biscuit.
Let's have a look at him now. He's
literally
he's so cute.
I was so not expecting this. Do you know what? I was like this. Like he's like that. He's so
I think you might have to
good.
give him a name. He's really cute.
I'm gonna call him.
You've got some really cute ones.
Right, yeah, so.
And which of the squishies do you want next that you've seen?
I really want a panda one. I've seen a panda one flat like this. I think it was a soft and slow one.
Oh, it was purple. Yeah.
Yeah, I want a panda. I want at least a few pandas, and maybe, I'm not sure. The other tooth.
Another tooth. There's a
Yes.
galaxy tooth.
Yeah, really. And Mrs. Chocolate. And definitely some more Smooshy Mushies. Maybe some more besties.
I've seen a Hello Kitty one too.
Ooh.
There are some awesome squishies, so check them out for sure. We think squishies are going to be massive this year.
Yeah, they're going to be massive.
They're so
and
much
best
fun.
Christmas present.
And they smell so good.
Wait, I'm like stood here and I can smell that one.
Can you?
Oh my gosh.
He just looks perfect in your collection.
He looks perfect. We're twins, but we don't look like each other. But we're like, I just love this one. So don't forget to like and subscribe to Listen Red One. Bye guys.